If you wake up at 3 a.m. with your heart racing, your cortisol rhythm is unstable. This isn't a mindset problem, it's a timing problem. Cortisol is designed to spike and then recover. It rises when you need energy and drops when your body needs rest. But when it stops recovering, you enter a constant state of low-level survival mode. Your system stays alert when it should be shutting down. Your body stays activated when it should be repairing. We're restoring that rhythm over the next 72 hours. Healthy cortisol follows a clear curve. It rises in the morning to wake you up, giving you energy and focus, then gradually declines throughout the day so your body can transition into rest at night. Chronic stress disrupts this pattern. It either flattens the curve or keeps it elevated for too long. That's why you feel tired, but wired. You lack energy during the day, but your mind becomes alert at night. Sleep feels shallow, and recovery feels incomplete. This is not a motivation issue. It's a regulation failure. Day 1 is about restoring the morning spike. Within 30 minutes of waking, step outside. No phone, no stimulation, just light. 10 minutes of natural sunlight hitting your eyes anchors your circadian system and signals your brain to initiate the proper cortisol rise. This is how your body knows the day has started. If you delay this signal, the entire rhythm shifts. Avoid caffeine for the first 90 minutes after waking. Caffeine before your natural cortisol rise interferes with the process and reinforces the dysfunction. The goal is to let your body generate its own energy signal first. We restore the spike before adding anything on top. Day 2 focuses on calming the stress loop. You cannot think your way out of cortisol. You have to signal safety to your body. One of the fastest ways to do this is through the physiological sigh. 2 short inhales followed by 1 long exhale. This breathing pattern directly affects your nervous system and reduces internal stress signals. Perform 5 rounds, 3 times throughout the day. This is not about relaxation in a passive sense. It's about actively shifting your internal state. When your body registers safety, cortisol begins to decrease. You interrupt the loop that keeps it elevated. Day 3 introduces controlled stress. Not the kind that drains you, but the kind that trains your system. Start with 30 seconds of cold exposure, like a cold shower or cold water on your face. Then follow it with heat. This contrast causes your blood vessels to constrict and then dilate, strengthening your stress response system. Controlled stress builds resilience, while chronic stress leads to exhaustion. The difference is that here, stress is brief, intentional, and followed by recovery. As your cortisol rhythm stabilizes, you'll notice real changes. You wake up less at night. Sleep becomes deeper. Your reactions feel calmer. Your focus improves. Energy becomes more consistent instead of unpredictable. This is not a mindset shift. It's a biological timing correction. Burnout isn't solved with motivation. It's solved with regulation. When your system is stable, performance improves naturally. Your cortisol isn't broken. It's misaligned. Correct the timing and the system starts to fix itself. In the next video, we're discussing your biological age because stress doesn't just affect how you feel, it affects your cellular clock. You might be older than you think. Subscribe to keep the vault open.